At this point of time, the data has also been supportive for our markets. We've seen at least just yesterday and today, inflation data has been very supportive. CPI has come up very sharply, and today WPI has also come in at a 5-year low. So lots of comfort coming in when it comes to price and price movements. Now hopes are building that we will see a rate cut coming in from the RBI sooner than later, and that's perhaps another reason we're seeing the markets looking supportive. That's Symphony for you. It's up nearly 7%. That stock has come out with strong set of earnings. Their net sales have come in at 102 crore rupees, which is higher than what we were some brokerages had estimated. They were estimating sales at 90 crore rupees, so it's more than 10 crores higher than what most brokerages were expecting. Profit after tax has come in at 21.6 crore rupees. This is also higher than what most brokerages were expecting. We are now joined by the management. We have Mr. Rupesh Shah, Executive Director at Symphony, joining us on the phone line. Mr. Shah, congratulations on a strong set of earnings. Now, this was an extended summer, and perhaps is this the reason why we've seen such a strong performance coming in your sales?
One was, of course, extended summer, but on top of it, some new models have been launched during the first quarter, which have been well received. And again, as a part of deseasonalizing the whole business, we have moved one level further down. That is, so far till last year, it was de-risking the business at a level of distributor. In the current year, thousands of dealers also bought air coolers during off-season from the distributor. So even that strategy has worked. And on top of it, even consumers have bought a good number of air coolers, especially in the month of July and August. So it's a combination of various factors.
Right. You're saying consumer demand is robust. What about the industrial segment? How is that done, and what's been the performance of Sylvan?
Still, in terms of absolute value, it is low, but it has also registered very robust growth and demand. We have succeeded in executing several centralized air cooling projects across the segments, whether education, whether industrial segment, warehouses, railway, religious segments, and whatever process and further strengthening dealer distribution network, sales promotion, that we have further strengthened, and it is going to yield a result.
Right, so your EBITDA margins have also expanded 300 basis points, more than what the street was anticipating. How did you manage this? Is this mainly because of price hikes?
One, partially because of a small price hike, but mainly on account of better realization in the new models or the upgraded models. Thirdly, further improvement in the sales mix. And thirdly, as per the Symphony's cost model, tight control on variable costs as well as overheads.
Right. Wanted to understand that you are also looking at enhancing the capex that you have. You said you'll take it up to about 200,000 units, and mainly this is for exports. So the expenses for this capex, are you going to account for it in this financial year?
We are going to set up SEZ unit in Kandla, but again that will not involve any major capex. It's going to be a lease facility, and total investment in plant and machinery and various facilities will be just about 2 to 3 million rupees.
Right.
Because in case of Symphony, it's a capital light model, working capital light model, and asset light business model.
Mr. Shah, will there be price hikes going ahead, because now the peak season for summers is going to be behind you? What kind of margins can you end this year with?
We don't propose to have further price hike, but during the year there will be launch of some more models, and that may yield further improvement in profitability. And as far as margins are concerned, we are reasonably confident to maintain EBITDA and PBT margin as we registered in the first quarter for the whole year.
All right, Mr. Shah, thank you so much for joining us on NDTV Profit and giving More details of the earnings posted by Symphony looking very strong. The stock has reacted well and the management quite positive and confident of maintaining the margins till the end of this year. We'll wrap up the show. We'll leave you with the views of Shokata Bhattacharya at Axis Bank on what the inflation trajectory could look like from here, given that both CPI and WPI have come off quite significantly.